This Scandinavian industrial loft blends minimalist charm with rugged warmth, creating a haven of understated elegance. Exposed brick walls, sleek steel accents, and warm wooden tones bring together functionality and style. Natural light flows through expansive windows, enhancing the airy ambiance. Soft textiles, neutral hues, and thoughtful details add a sense of calm, making every corner inviting. Perfectly crafted for a relaxed and cozy lifestyle, this loft is where modern living harmonizes with timeless design. A retreat that celebrates simplicity and sophistication in equal measure. Our AI voice generator is your one-stop solution